in Phnom Penh, Cambodia. So the price for public bus here is cost 1,500 per trip. Here's a 1,500 in Cambodia. Yes. So it's going to cost everyone 1,500 here per trip to go anywhere you want. And whenever you want to go, you have to know is where's the bus stop. So in order to track the bus stop, you have to use the app. And the app is called Bus City or Stop Nearby Me. I will drop the link below so everyone can download it from App Store and Play Store. Finally, I found the bus and got the seat. Here's the ticket, which said 1,500 real on the ticket. So tourists or local don't worry about scamming here. Nowadays, I can entering into the bus from the front door. So I have to go to back side to get on the bus. There are big benefit for retirement people are free to use this bus. Also teacher, student, factory, garment worker and soldier. For private sector have to pay, but the cost for bus is cheap and it is only 1,500 real. If I convert it to dollars, it's only 40 cents.
was just a boy. Christmas brought so much joy. Couldn't wait for the presents and laughter. I couldn't sleep late at night, looking for Santa with lights. Those are the memories I still remember. Then I became a man, lost sight of who I am, but right in front